Now then, after the do phase is check, sometimes referred to as study. Now during this phase, it's time to face the facts while reflecting carefully on what worked and what didn't work with the experiments. In each case, we want to ask why until there's clear understanding of what was effective and what wasn't. Lastly, during the check phase, we also need to practice something called Hansai, which is often translated as reflection or even repentance. In other words, practicing Hansai affords us the opportunity to truly reflect on what went right and, more importantly, what went wrong, allowing us to try to learn and adapt to these issues. And finally, we come to the fourth phase of ACT, sometimes referred to as adjust, which has us working to understand why things might not have turned out like we thought they would, as well as the changes to make as we prepare to turn the PDCA cycle again. Or, if the experiment proves successful, we'll standardize and share the success throughout the organization. Now, this horizontal deploying or copying of ideas that have worked throughout the organization is often referred to as yokoten and is a key aspect of the way companies like Toyota work. Okay, and that's the PDCA process. Again, as we've learned, PDCA is not a linear process. In fact, we'll likely experience many versions of PDCA within the plan and do phases. Also, PDCA is not a one-and-done activity. In other words, once we've successfully improved a process, we won't stop and rest on our laurels. Instead, we'll prepare to set new targets toward the ideal condition as we turn the PDCA cycle again.